Hello, Ken Clem here with Mentoring for Free. And as with all our videos, two things. Number one, you may find it easier to watch this video if you download the video to your computer. There's a link right below this video player. And number two, the websites that we show you may have changed and may look different from the time when we recorded this video. Now, before you decide whether or not you want to join Mentoring for Free Pro, you can take a look at the introduction tour video or some of the other videos that we have here to see what we have in store for you. And when you're ready to join, there are two ways to do it. You can click on the link that you find in the MFF Toolkit Quick Start page, or you can just take your browser to this address, www.mentoringforfree.com. Either way, first thing you're going to see is this box that says referral required. And this is not an affiliate program. This is for tracking purposes, but you need to have a referral. So ask your mentor or your coach, the person with Mentoring for Free that's working with you, ask them to give you their username. Now, once you have that username typed in here, this is mine, Mentor Ken, then just click Submit. And when you get to this page, scroll all the way to the bottom and click on this link here, this big bold link. Want your own lead generating Mentor for Free website? Click here for details. And that brings you to this page that tells you all about the Mentoring for Free Pro system. And down the bottom, it gives you the price, $19.95 a month. And click on just fill out this form here, and that'll bring you to this page. If you use the link in the MFF Toolkit, the join link, you'll come straight to this page after you put in your referral username. And the first thing you need to do is decide whether you're going to join monthly or yearly. If you pay for a whole year, you'll only be billed 10 months. The second 2 months are free, so you get 12 months for the price of 10. You'll probably click on monthly to start and test the system. You can always change later to the yearly subscription. Now, this next page is 3 vital pieces of information. Your email address, and we strongly suggest you use a Gmail address because services like Hotmail and AOL and even Yahoo, and especially cable companies, block a lot of email. And if you're getting email from your clients, your students, your prospects, and they send you email and it gets blocked by your email provider, that would not be a good thing. And the reason a lot of these companies block a lot of email is they'll use any excuse they can to keep from delivering mail. It cuts down on their costs. Gmail is very, very good about delivering mail and only blocks real spam. Real spam. So we strongly recommend a Gmail account. And you can change this later if you don't have a free Gmail account at this point. So just type in your email address. And next you pick a username. We recommend you pick the shortest username you can. If the name is not available, then it will tell you and you can try something else. You can use your real name or your name and numbers or anything you want. Let's just try to keep it short and try to keep it something that people can identify easily. You can only use letters and numbers. Now, one thing you do not want to do is use a period. If you use, the system will allow you to put a period in there, but if you use a period, what will happen is the system won't function properly. So don't use a dot or a period. You can just run it straight like that. And finally, you need a password, and you need to write this down. Write down your password. A good tip is to keep a little paper notebook, a pen and paper notebook, and write down all your usernames and passwords for the various things that you join. and need to log into, and keep that in a locked place in your office, so that way you'll always be able to look up your password in case you can't remember it. A lot of things that you sign up to, the administrators cannot look at your password and tell you what it is. So you want to make sure you write it down. Then click here to proceed to the next step. And on this page, you need to fill in your name and address information. And this is important for billing. The name that appears here will not be the name that appears on your websites. This is your billing name and your billing zip code. These have to match the payment method you use. Once you have that filled in, click proceed to the next step. Now you can proceed here, either pay by credit card or PayPal, credit or debit card. If you use PayPal, it will take you to the PayPal screen where you create a PayPal subscription. You can always change your billing method later, and of course you'll have to update this information when your credit card expires or your debit card expires and they send you a new one. You'll need to update the expiration date stuff, and then when you're done, click proceed to the next step, and when the payment is processed and it goes through, you'll be in business and you'll receive a confirmation email which you'll want to save. It'll have your username and password in it. And that's it. It's just that simple. We'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.